Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This time naman ang isi-share ko sa inyo yung Chinese gender calendar to predict my baby's gender. Hindi ito 100% na accurate at lalong hindi ito scientific based. So still a myth. Walang nakakapagpatunay na tama talaga ang nagiging result nito. So for fun, pwede din natin itong gamitin to predict the baby's gender. I'm currently pregnant sa third child ko. Let's find out the gender of the baby using this Chinese gender calendar. I have two ways to check. Yung first one is manual, yung pag-check ko, and then yung second is yung calculator online. Let's go first dun sa manual. Ito yung ginagamit ko online. Marami kayong masasearch nito sa Google. I-search nyo lang yung word na Chinese gender calendar or Chinese gender chart. For my first, second, and now third child ko, ito pa rin yung ginagamit. And as you can see here, may makikita ka na age of mother at conception. Ito yung edad kung kailan na-conceive yung baby. At yung sa taas naman ng month of conception, yung buwan kung kailan talaga siya na-conceive or nabuo. Dito sa age of mother at conception, ang sabi nila mag+1 ka daw sa edad na kung kailan nabuo yung baby. Kasi sa Chinese daw, pagkaanak sa'yo is 1 year na agad yung count. Okay, let's start to predict my baby's gender using this. So, yung current na edad ko is 34. Kung susundin natin na mag-a-add tayo ng isang age, so bali dapat 35 na ako. Then, yung month na na-conceive namin si baby at sigurado ako is yung month ng August. Age 35 and then August yung month na na-conceive. So, it shows here it's a female or babae yung anak ko. Pero, kung i-base ko pa rin siya sa talagang age ko, sabi dito, it's a boy. So, magkaiba sila. Kayo ba, gumamit na kayo nito? Kung yes, please comment down below kung paano nyo ginagawa or ginagamit tong Chinese gender predictor. Ito naman yung other way kung paano ko makompute or malaman yung gender using a calculator online. All you have to do is to search Chinese gender calculator, i-enter mo lang yung information at si calculator na ang bahala sa yung magsabi kung girl or boy. This is one example ng Chinese gender calendar calculator online. So dito ang kailangan lang is mother's date of birth at date of conception. Hindi naman kailangan eksakto kung kailan yung date ng conception kasi hindi naman talaga natin malalaman yung exact date kung kailan tayo nag-ovulate unless gumamit tayo ng ovulation predictor kit. Pagkatapos ko lang i-enter yung information dito, tapos i-click ko lang yung nakalagay dito sa baba na button, and it will give you the result. And this one, ang result is, it's a girl! Ito pa yung isa ko pang ginamit na calculator online. So, nagtry ako ng iba to make sure. Dito sa tool na to, ang hinihingi niya is yung due date and then yung date of birth. Yung due date ko is binase ko siya sa ultrasound and then yung birth date ko. After entering those information, all you have to do is to click ulit yung button na nakalagay dito sa baba. And it will gonna give you again the result. And here, it's a girl! Ganitong way lang yung pag-check ko online. Kaya kung buntis ka ngayon, if you're pregnant and you're expecting and you want to know yung gender ng baby ninyo through the Chinese gender calendar, ganito lang po yung pwede nyong gawin. Pero still, hindi to accurate kasi nga hindi siya scientific base. Para talaga malaman natin yung totoong gender ng baby, kailangan natin mag-wait at magpa-ultrasound at si OB-GYN lang or si ultrasonologist lang talaga ang makakapag-determine kung baby girl or boy talaga yung dinadala mo. Pero sobrang fun itong gamitin. Try nyo guys. And soon, malalaman nyo na din yung gender ng baby ko at malalaman nyo kung tumama ba yung Chinese gender calendar dito sa third baby ko. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe at i-click mo na rin yung notification bell para ma-update ka sa mga new upload ko. Thank you for watching and I hope na may natutunan kayo kahit papano. Bye guys!